Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SED. We have seen some basic introduction and some commands in the SED. Okay, now we are going to see about delete. Today we are going to see how to delete the lines from the text file. Okay, SED provides various commands to manipulate the text, and we will see one or two examples so that you can easily understand. The delete command is used to delete the lines from the text file. Today we are going to use this text file which contains the book name and author. And we are going to remove some lines. I have given like this, but it didn't display any output. Why means if I give like this SED delete text, what will happen is it will remove the lines from the pattern buffer. I've already explained about that, what is pattern buffer and hold buffer. If you are not familiar means you can go through my previous videos so that you can easily understand what is pattern buffer and what is hold buffer. Okay. Whatever it is, pattern buffer is like a memory area. Whatever the things we type, it will keep it in the pattern buffer. So now it removes the lines in the pattern buffer and not in the that text file. So we have to change that command little bit. Here, whatever it is, it removed two lines from the text file. And I think it contains some blank line. That is why it removed the blank line and the book name and author. Okay. I will test. It contains blank line. I am just removing it. Now I am going to repeat the same command. It removed a little book of die. It it removes the second line. Okay. Here it removed the second line, a little book of Joy Dalai Lama. Okay. It removed the second line. Now it removed the third line, that is legend written by Sinha. Okay. Now it works fine. Okay. And if you want to remove the line from first line to third line or first line to second line, you can give 1 comma 3. Then it will remove from first line to third line. I will show it. See, it removed the line from first line to third line. So it displays only one line, that is Tale of Two Cities. Okay, it displays only one line. It removed all the three lines from the text file. Now, how we are going to use the pattern address? That means by specifying some names, how can we remove the particular? For example, if you want to remove the books written by particular author, Charles Dickens, say we are having some 500 books inside the text file, and around 10 books are written by the Charles Dickens. If we want to remove the 10 lines, might be the 10 lines may not be continuously coming. Fifth book might be written by Charles Dickens and will come in the 10th line, and another book written by the Charles Dickens will come in the 50th line, like that. So if you want to remove the books written by particular author, then we have to give the pattern, the particular pattern address, so that you can remove the books. Okay, I will I will give that particular run name, then we can see how it works. It removed the book and the author from the text file. That means it removed the book written by the Charles Dickens, that is Tale of Two Cities. Okay. This is the way how to use the patterns, so that you can easily manipulate the text in the text file. Normally in real-time environment, we will be receiving some huge data file which contains some 100,000 or million record. At the time, we cannot going on manually changing the each and everything. It will be time consuming, and we cannot do that. So if you use this pattern, then within matter of seconds, you can remove all the that particular books or whatever be the things. We can remove that particular pattern from the text file, and we can load it to the database. Okay. And then these are all the one-line SCD command we should know while we are working in the real-time environment. It will be very useful, and it will be very useful for you to manipulate the text. Okay. Thanks. Bye. We will be seeing some more SCD commands in the coming video.